Science, a Japan-based shower head manufacturer, is introducing a giant human washing machine set to be showcased at the Osaka Kansai Expo in April 2025. The concept, originally developed by Sanyo Electric at the 1970 Japan World Exposition, is being brought to life with advanced technology. The machine offers a 15-minute wash and dry cycle and will serve up to 1,000 visitors at the expo. It features a jet fighter-like design with a transparent cover, hot water filling and sensors to ensure comfort and safety. An AI system also enhances the experience by analyzing emotional states and projecting calming images. Yasuaki Aoyama, the company's chairman, views this project as a personal legacy from the 1970 Expo.